today for our dessert, we're going to be making fruit pies, which is super simple. So all you need is a pie iron, some bread, your pie filling, and some butter. And I'm going to show you how to put it together real quick. So I'm going to first open my pie filling. And we just have cherry today, but you can use whatever you want. You can even like mix pie fillings together. I've done like a peach blueberry one before that's really good, but we're just sticking with cherry today. That open. Okay, so then get my bread open too. Maybe. Oh no, maybe not. I always struggle with these. Okay, so I've got 2 pieces of bread, and I'm gonna take my butter, and I stuck my pie iron in the fire for a minute so that it's nice and warm, so I don't have to try to spread butter onto my bread. So I'm just gonna do one of those. Set that back down. Then you're gonna take your bread, put it in the pie iron, and I like to squish mine down so that it doesn't stick out the sides. I don't know why, I just do. And then you're just gonna take a nice big scoop of your pie filling, spread it around, maybe add a couple more. And you don't want to put too much in because then it might like break up when it gets too warm. But yeah, and then you put the other piece of bread in, squish it down. And then we're going to close our fire and head over to the fire. Alright, so once you're at your fire, you want to find like a pretty good spot, and you're just going to stick it in. So I'm going to put that there. And it's very similar to when you make a pie iron pizza. So usually I'll either count to 40 or I'll just do the ABCs twice in my head. And then I'll flip it over. So we'll come back in a little bit and have. So we've had it on the fire for not very long, like probably maybe 5 minutes, and that's it. But see, my corner is a little black, but it's very done. So yes, pie iron. Now I'm going to put it on a plate, let it cool, and enjoy.